Okay, we're going to solve a quadratic inequality that says x squared plus 6x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 0. So what we are going to do is we're going to factor out the left side. And we get x plus 4 and x plus 2. And we're going to go ahead and solve. We're going to set these equal to 0 and solve. Okay, I'm going to set the other one equal to 0. And I'm going to solve that as well. And so that helps us acquire 3 regions that we're going to use. We don't know for which of these regions the inequality is true. I put in the 0 just because we like to know where it is, but we're really more concerned with 1, 2, 3, 4, with -4, -2, and beyond. So I'm gonna see if it'll help us if I do this. Let's make this blue. Let's make another region. Let's use something that contrasts really well with it, like the green. And then the other region we'll pick maroon. Whoops. We're gonna use the line. We'll pick maroon. And I'm gonna just select that and make it a little bigger. So it'll be easier to see what we're doing. All right, so I'm gonna pick a value in here, a value in here, and a value over here. And obviously we probably want to pick something easy to work with. So probably some kind of integer, like maybe -6. And then I'm pointing at a -5. And I'm just going to use a 0. Those are going to be my 3 test points. I'm going to plug them into my original. So -6 squared plus 6 times -6 plus 8. That's 36 minus 36 plus 8. And indeed, that is greater than 0, so it checks out. Let's try the other one. Let's try the -5. -5 squared plus 6 times -5 plus 8. And that's 25 minus 30 plus 8. And that answer is gonna be, and I want to double check that I did it right. -5. Oh, that's not a -5, and that's where I'm going wrong. In trying to go too fast here, this should have been a -3. So that's gonna change. Yeah. Sometimes when things don't look like they're working out, that's when you need to stop and check, and I was able to do that. That should have been a 3. I was expecting a no, and that's where I got thrown off. 18 plus 8. This is 9 plus 8 is 17. So this is less than 0. It actually turns out to be a -1. And so this does not check out. And the last thing I'm going to do is check 0. And so I'm just going to make a little box over here. That should be easy because I just need to plug in zeros. And see what we get. So it's 8. And yes, 8 is definitely greater than or equal to 0. So that does check out. So then it's the blue and the maroon regions that work. Therefore, and I'm about to finish here, so just bear with me. Okay, so it is from -infinity to -4, and we are using brackets because of the type of inequality symbol, union with it starts back up on -2. That's where the maroon starts, and then it goes to infinity. And that's how you identify the solution to that quadratic.